Step 1. Log into your back office using the link https://backoffice.maellebeauty.com. Insert your username and password. Back office will appear. On the upper right hand corner, you'll see your name. Click on the drop down to open up the menu and select Change Settings. Under the basic profile, you will see on the right, Edit. Click on Edit and click on the blank field above Upload. Select your picture that you want to upload. Click on Upload and your photo will appear. If your photo frame is outside the box, just draw a box around the area that you want to select and click on Save Changes.